Dear viewers, we're going to show you how to make cauliflower steak tandoori style. Basically, we got a cauliflower here. We cut them in the middle. We take a steak out of that. And now we're going to steam them. We have some salted water. We just put them up. And we're going to cover it for a few minutes. We steam them for 4 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to marinate it. We use a little bit of garlic and ginger. We use pinch of turmeric, pinch of chili powder, pinch of coriander, pinch of cumin, and touch of garam masala. We're going to add some salt, pepper, olive oil, or mustard oil, whatever you feel like, and you rub them well. Make sure all the spices goes all round. Now we're going to put bit of olive oil in a pan. We put our cauliflower steak there. Make sure you don't waste any of these spices or juices. We're going to put everything there. It's full of flavors in them. Now we're going to put them underneath the grill. Because we're going to do our mustard mash with that. We will use a little bit of mustard oil. We add the garlic. Pinch of chili flakes, we got some mashed potatoes. Basically, we boil the potatoes and we mash them. Nothing else to it. Now we're going to mix them very well. Pinch of turmeric, pinch of salt, and pinch of pepper. Mix them well. We nearly there. We take it out of the under the grill. Now we're going to turn it off. We're going to press them with a little bit of oil and we'll put it underneath the grill. Viewers, we are ready to serve. We're going to put our masala mash. We put our cauliflower steak on top. Look at that, how beautiful it looks. Viewers, have a look. My vegan version of cauliflower steak with masala mash. Enjoy and bon appetit. It's going to be yummy, delicious. Enjoy.